Hannah
Caroline Martin
and
and Picture Perfect, you say 1 star.
They've just got one fence left to jump. The new starter on course, number 102, Caroline Martin. Caroline with her own and mother Sherry Martin's Picture Perfect. Dressage score 55.1, they're clear of the first three. Hannah Supernet's only the last, Sloane Pierpont and Indy. They go from 11 across the country, right at the back of the park to the Mushroom and Brush at 12. Caroline Martin with Picture Perfect coming down to the first water. Coming in, fighting briskly in the water. Caroline doing a great job.
She's a really good rider.
Caroline Martin and Picture Perfect go to the hammock at 6. Just clearing both elements, the Mushroom and the Brush at 12 is Sloane Pierpont and Indy. They're up to the bank at 13A, 13B. Score for Hannah Supernet and Alonso III. Round in 6 minutes 53. They stay on their dressage for a two-place score 41.1. Sloane Pierpont with Indy coming down to the Brush Oxer at 14.